Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Giglino here. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to Kucoin cloud mining feature. This is a new feature that's actually launched by Kucoin, and with this feature, you can go ahead and and mine Bitcoin directly from your laptop. Okay, all you just have to do is visit the Kucoin website. Link to register on Kucoin is actually in my description below, so you can go ahead and sign up on Kucoin in case you're actually new to Kucoin. And once you're done with that, you can go ahead and follow what I'm actually going to do in this video very soon. Okay, so the next thing you also want to make sure you've done is to make sure you hit that red subscribe button. Okay, hit the red subscribe button on this channel because you don't want to miss any video on this channel, and also don't forget to like this video so more people can actually see this video. Okay, so like I said in this video, I'm going to put you through how to go ahead and make use of the Kucoin cloud mining, and also how to go ahead and make more money for yourself with it. Okay, so that's it guys. So let's dive into the video. Go to the comment section, leave a comment if you want me to improve any particular thing in my next video. Okay, so thanks for watching and let's dive into the video. Okay, so as you can see, this is Kucoin website, and the link to register on Kucoin is in my description below. Just go there, click on the link and sign up, and you'll be able to do or most of the thing I'm actually doing right here. Okay, so once you're on the website, what you want to do is come to this end section. Once you come to this end section, you're going to see this cloud mining. Okay, as you can see, it has this new icon close to it, or let me say this new button close to it. So just tap on Kucoin cloud mining, and once you tap on Kucoin cloud mining, it's going to take you to the Kucoin cloud mining feature. Okay, as you can see, Kucoin cloud mining goes live on Kucoin pool. Okay, which means you can go ahead and test it out. And currently Kucoin have about two different cloud minings, like two different platforms. As you can see, two different machine. They have the one for 180 days. You need to note all these things guys. You need to make sure you note all these things. As you can see, 180 days. This one is for a year. Okay, so you can see there are two different cloud mining. Okay, and also you need to take note of all these things when you're actually trying to make use of the Kucoin cloud mining. I'm going to try as much as possible to be detailed in this video so I don't make this video lengthy. Okay, so as you can see, tenors, this tenor is the length, the duration of the cloud mining, and this is APR, and this is electricity fuels. This is when your mining is going to start. And you can see we have cloud. This is the first one, this is the second one, this one is I think about half a year, this one is the full year. Okay, so and right now they have only just two machine right now. So depending on the one you want to tap on, you can just click on buy. You can click on the buy. Okay, so yes, what I want to I'm just going to tell you guys a few things about this cloud mining. What this cloud mining does is it's going to mine Bitcoin for you. You don't have to you don't need any CPU or any additional CPU in your house. You just have to pay Kucoin, and Kucoin are going to use their own Bitcoin anti-miner S19 JP Pro machine. Okay, this is going to help you mine Bitcoin. Okay, so you don't have to stress yourself. And yes guys, I wrote an article about this Kucoin cloud mining. I'm going to leave the link in my description below in case you want to go ahead and check it out, so you can go ahead and read the article version in case you want to do that. Okay, so as you can see, as you can see right here, this buy hash rate is the amount of hash rate you want to buy. It's the amount of hash rate you want to buy. So you can put 5,000 if you want to buy 5,000. So as you can see, the maximum, I think the maximum is 10,000. So you can buy 5,000. 5,000 hash rate. 5,000. The hash rate is going to be our ice key. So you can, and also don't forget to set a prepay. A prepay has to do with the electricity. You know, one of the downside with cloud mining is the electricity section. That has to do with electricity, has to do with loss of different certain things. Okay, and these things affect you gaining on cloud mining. Okay, when the owner of when the platform you're using to mine is not actually they're not actually maintaining that machine, then trust me, you're going to lose all your income. But with Kucoin cloud mining, Kucoin assured us that making use of their cloud mining, we are going to they're going to try as much as possible to maintain the machine. So as you can see right here, you can see more information about the machine. You can see anti-miner, you can see what is mining Bitcoin, you can see the efficiency, you can see the type, payment method, USDT, and you can see the electricity prepaid. Okay, so you can pay for electricity. Make sure you input the amount you want to pay for electricity. Okay, you can input any amount. This is going to show you the amount, the duration, days. Okay, so if I click on 2 USDT right now, that means I'm going to pay 2 USDT for the next 24 hours. Okay, so I can go ahead and increase that. If I put 100 USDT, as you can see, it's going to go up. And if I keep on, if I put 1000 USDT, it's going to go up. Okay, why? This is due to due to my price. As you can see, I've imputed $5,000, and this is about, the prepaid is about 1000. That's for 3 days. So you can go ahead and just impute the amount and make sure you have this money, this let me say this amount, this value of USDT in your account. Okay, so I'm just going to reduce this hash rate to about 1000. If I choose 1000 hash rate, this is the amount. Okay, 2000 something dollars. So I can take this to let me make this let me make this I can make this $5,000. I can make this $5,000 if I want to. Then make sure you go through all these things. Make sure you read the agreement, and make sure you are ready to invest. Okay, so once you're done with that, you click on submit order, and once you submit the order, you're going to be once you submit the order, then you have to see the next page and the next page and the next page. Okay, so it's not that hard. Okay, guys, it's not that hard, and you can invest as low as I think about $100. I can buy 5 hash rates. That is about almost $120, and I'm going to be able to keep mining for more than 180 days. And yes guys, it's going to show you. Okay, as you can see, this is my daily profit. I can go ahead and convert this daily profit to I can convert this daily. Let's go ahead and times this daily profit, okay, with a calculator, so you can see the amount of Bitcoin you're going to be making at the end of the year. Okay, so let's say 0.0000, as I mean, is 0 1 2 3 4 5. We have 5. This is 1 2 3 4 plus 4 is this, times let's say 180 days. So sorry, so times 180 days times 1. Okay, so we are going to have this amount of Bitcoin in our wallet. Okay, so let's do like this amount of BTC to USDT, so we can see the amount or the value. Okay, so okay, so I think, okay, so this is telling us that, okay, so okay, so as you can see, this is 32 USDT. Okay, 32 USDT. So I think I'm not getting it. I think I'm not getting it right. I don't know. I think I'm wrong. Okay, so I think I'm wrong. So if you the amount, okay, so I can go ahead and okay, okay, so yes guys, that's it. And they're going to pay you, I think they're going to pay you daily, every single day. They're going to pay your daily minings into your accounts, in your Kucoin account. And remember, Kucoin is a centralized exchange platform. So once you've gotten your reward for you got your reward, you can go ahead and make use, and you can get and make use of the Kucoin trading booth. I have a video on the Kucoin trading booth, which I'm going to tag somewhere in this video. Okay, so that's it guys for this video. That's pretty much it. I'm going to leave the link to this article in case you want to read this article version in my description below, so you can go ahead and read it. Thanks for watching this video guys. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video, and also don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in another video like this.